In this movie, I review how to install Joomla. Let me start my demonstration with the auto install procedure. Same procedure as I've shown previously. I'm going to use the auto script found on my host, Bluehost. Logging into the control panel, I go to the Simple Scripts Installations area, click on Simple Scripts. Many other hosts have similar automatic scripting tools that will allow you to very easily install all the various software tools I've been covering in this course: BuddyPress, Moodle, WordPress. So I'm going to go down my script list to Content Management. The very first one there is Joomla. Click on Joomla. At the time of this recording, Joomla 1.7 was the latest release. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Install button. I'm going to choose my version of Joomla that I want to install, 1.7.1 stable. I'm going to install it off my root folder there as a test site. Let's call this Joomla 17 to stand for Joomla 1.7.1. I'm going to click on Advanced Options, click here to display, and I'm going to give this site a name, my Joomla 1.7 site. And now let's go ahead and create a password, admin, just for the sake of demonstrating this. I'm going to automatically create the new database. Later I'll show you how to self-install, and in those installations you'll need to create a new database, but I'm going to let the simple script or auto script create that for me. Click on I have read the terms and conditions of the license agreement. Click complete, and then Bluehost will go ahead and run this simple script to auto install Joomla 1.7.1 on their servers. I'm going to show this to you again in real time so you can see just how quick and easy this is. If you have another host, you might inquire whether they have the ability to self-install software like Joomla for you. I get to this screen. Installation was complete. Let's go to the front end here first to ensure that everything has been installed correctly. When you install Joomla using the auto script, it will install dummy content or placeholder content for you, which looks like this. There's some articles that are put in for you, a menu. This is probably the best way to do this so that you can practice with existing content. Starting off with a fresh Joomla install without any content at all, I think it's a little bit harder to learn it. If I go back to my Simple Scripts page, I can also access the back end. This is similar to WordPress, in which it has a front end and a back end. Different than Moodle, which really had one interface allowing you to change user profiles or change user views from student to admin to teacher. This is my admin login page. Username admin, password was admin. Let's go ahead and accept the defaults there and log in. And that will take me to the Joomla backend, the Joomla 1.7 backend. Older versions of Joomla will look a little bit different. This is the 1.7 version. Once you see this administration screen with the icons here, and you're able to successfully access the front end, then you know that you have successfully installed Joomla. So now that I've demonstrated how to use a simple script to auto-install Joomla, let me now move on to the next movie and demonstrate how to self-install Joomla.